Today I'm going to show you how to add cinematic black bars using Kdenlive editor. To begin with, I'm going to drag and drop this video from the project bin to the timeline, adding it to video track 1. And now to add the cinematic black bars to this video, what we have to do is just navigate to the effects and in the search box, type in crop and find this effect called crop scale and tilt. Now drag and drop this effect on your video in the timeline. And when you select the video here in the timeline under effect/composition stack, you'll see these crop scale and tilt settings here. Now find crop top and crop bottom settings and adjust these settings from the default 0 to 130. Okay, so we are now cropping top and bottom, and this is about 12% on both ends. So 130 represents about 12%. And how I get 130 is we need to take video resolution, so it's 1920 by 1080. So this 1080 is our frame height, and multiply 1080 by 12%. And you will end up with roughly 130. Now, if you have different resolution video, something like 3840 by 2160, you have to take 2160 and multiply by 12, and you'll get something like 259. Okay, so unfortunately in Kdenlive it doesn't work with percentages, unlike Adobe Premiere Pro or some other editors, so you'll have to work with pixels here. But it's no problem, you can still convert these values into some meaningful numbers and plug them in here. And this is it, guys. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.